What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Detroit Love, with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the Legends Pinball by AtGames. Let's see what they've done to this thing. Let's get it started. Take a look at this beaut. AtGames has been listening to you, people. They've heard you. They've made some changes. Let's see what you think about it. They're listening. They're learning. Some say bigger is better. I say better is better. And they're making it better, baby. Let's check it out. So what's a pinball cabinet without some games, baby? This thing is fully loaded. Got some of your favorites from Gottlieb. 22 of them. Find the one you like. Find your dozen. Love them, play them, enjoy. But the good thing is you don't have to stop there. With the bring your own games, it opens up the possibilities. And so this is why they say bigger is better, because this 32-inch high definition LCD play field.
Howdy, partner. Get out of town by sundown.
So they give you the product size here, but they've changed it from the initial pictures. They've actually made it a little smaller because they wanted to make it more proportional. Look at that front. Oh, it looks beautiful. Here it is next to my baby. You know, I got that modified toy shock. Well, this thing is nice next to that, boy. They've made some improvements listening to you guys. So the cabinet thickness, they actually changed it because it was too long. See that? Way too long. Shortened it up, made it look more like the pinball shape you love. They changed the apron. Look at that, it was way too long. Shortened it up, smoothed out those corners. Look at that. Your hand's gonna be comfortable as you're holding that, playing that. They changed the D-pad placement. Looks a whole lot better. The front panel saw some changes as well. That door looks nice. They changed the decals and the logo. But the plunger, man. Plunger's come a long way. I think they need to get rid of that gold color though and just make it the same color as the legs. And there, look at that. The legs look much nicer. So that's just a quick peek at what's happening, the developments that they're making with this product. Oh man, I love it. What do you guys think about it? Is this on your list, on your Christmas list, or your New Year's Day resolution is to get one of these? Let me know in the comments below. Like the video, share the video, and if you hadn't subscribed, do so now. And until next time, I'll see you on the web.